It's a lovely sunny day, so I've come down into my greenhouse, away from my desk for a few minutes, to talk about sowing sweet peas. Now, ideally, what I did a couple of weeks ago is to sow into these root trainers, which are specially made for sowing sweet peas. Sweet peas have very long roots and they want to go down, and that really encourages them. These even have ridges on them. If you can't get hold of those, then really you're just going to have to look around the house and see what you can find. You can use loo rolls, if you happen to have any spare. We've long since run out of those. I saved them over the winter, but I don't have any left. So I found a cardboard tube that came in the post, and I've cut that up into sections just as good so that the roots can go down. And all you will need to do is to stand them up in a waterproof tray like this one here. So you want to put your compost into your loo roll. I can never resist sweet peas. I absolutely love them. They last for so long, and the more that you pick them, the more they flower, which is their absolute top attribute, apart from the gorgeous scent. So the seeds are quite easy to get hold of in terms of being easy to handle, and you want to push them down about a knuckles depth, into the there we are, and then just water them gently, 2 or 3 to a tube like that. Just water a little bit. I'm just going to put a tiny bit more. That's it. Make sure you label them. If you haven't got cardboard tubes, try other things. I looked around the kitchen. Well, our recycling isn't being collected at the moment, so I found some tin cans. As long as you punch a few holes in the bottom for drainage. Or we had a strawberry punnet left over from a couple of weeks ago. That's quite nice and deep as well. Another way of doing it. If you haven't got a greenhouse, you can bring them inside and put them on a window shelf above a radiator. That's what I did with these actually, because it was cold last week and we didn't get much germination. But now I've got, let me see if I can show you, some little shoots coming up there, which is so gratifying. Nothing nicer than sowing seeds.